In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Otter.ai to Zoom. This integration will help you transcribe your Zoom meetings automatically, making it easier to capture and review what was discussed. Let's kick off the process by heading over to the Otter.ai website. When you arrive at the Otter.ai homepage, look towards the top right corner for the Login button. Clicking this will take you to the Login page, where you'll need to enter your credentials to access your Otter.ai account. Once logged in, you'll see your profile icon prominently displayed at the top left of the screen. Give it a click and a drop-down menu should appear. From the drop-down, locate the Account Settings option. This is where you'll configure your settings and manage integrations. Click on Account Settings and you'll be taken to a new page rife with options. Here, you need to look for the section labeled Apps and Integrations, which is essentially the dashboard where you can manage and connect different applications to Otter.ai. Clicking on Apps and Integrations, you'll find a list of various apps you can connect with Otter. Scan through the list until you find Zoom. Once you locate Zoom, click on it. Otter will prompt you to add this integration to your account with a clear Add button that you'll want to press. As you proceed, you'll enter the permissions management stage. This part is important because you will be granting Otter.ai access to your Zoom account to enable the transcription feature. A page will load, asking you to review and manage permissions. It's crucial to thoroughly read through what Otter.ai will access and handle. If everything checks out and you're comfortable, click Allow to finalize the permissions. With that done, Otter.ai should now be connected to your Zoom account. The next step is to toggle on the Otter Assistant. What this does is enable Otter to automatically join your Zoom meetings when they start, ensuring that transcription begins seamlessly as your meeting kicks off. You'll find this option within the same Apps and Integrations section under the Zoom tab. Finally, once a Zoom meeting begins, the Otter Assistant will join automatically to start transcribing. Should you not want it to join right away, you also have the option to invite it manually during the meeting. This gives you the flexibility to decide exactly when transcription should start. And there you have it. Your Otter.ai is now set up to work with Zoom, streamlining your meeting notes and saving you the hassle of manual note-taking. Now you're ready to enjoy the convenience of having clear transcriptions of all your Zoom calls, ensuring you never miss a detail. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps make your virtual meetings more productive and organized.